And when you finally get to that point, when you master yourself and you finally get yourself in that position where you know exactly why you're doing something, when you're going to do it, how you're going to do it, and defeat ain't even part of the equation. Like, you know that you're going to be successful. Once you finally reach that peak performance level, you're dialed in. There's nothing taking you out of that. No one can convince you that you aren't exactly where you're supposed to be at.
When it comes to legalized bank robbing, I'm the best.
I'm going long in this breaker here. I'll take that. Going long in the order block. Make sure to take a partial here. It's almost like it's random. Stop above the balanced price range. That's a breakaway gap. This fair value gap should stay open. It's a breakaway gap. This is a breakaway gap, but this fair value gap here will take us higher. And thank you very much. Just like clockwork. Yeah. Come on now. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, indeed. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Y'all rocking with it? Intro go hard. New intro coming out 2025. I'm gonna put one together. I'm actually getting tired of this one, but it still slaps. It still slaps. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Man, I'm feeling good. I slept in this morning by accident. Full access and members in the Discord, y'all know I showed up to the live stream a little late. I apologize. So as my apology, coming on here for the PM session on time, and we're gonna walk this thing down. So it is NFP Thursday. Hopefully we get something meaningful. Hopefully price doesn't just move sideways. So we'll see. I have not worked out yet. No, I wanted to go run a quick little mile and a half before I hopped on stream, but I got caught up. I just posted on Instagram and I had to edit that and get all that posted. So I'm just gonna do it after the stream, and then yeah. We're gonna have some fun today though. I plan on being here for a while. I got energy, I'm feeling good, so as long as NASDAQ's moving around and doing stuff, then we're gonna be here. So gonna have some fun. Yeah, just walking, running, like it's so therapeutic. I don't know, something, and like when I run, I wear sweatpants, shorts underneath. I got a hoodie on because I love to like sweat. I don't know, it just feels good after you're done. And it's like 90 degrees over here. But yeah, I didn't get to go on my run yet. But we'll do that later. Right now, we're about to run down NASDAQ. That didn't really make sense. It sounded better in my head. Oh well. What's up? What's up? All right, roll call. Who we got in here? Let me see. Trust the process. Trey Win, Antonio. I see y'all. DE Trades, Wyatt, Traders Odyssey, Marquise. What's up? Nasri, Rube, Hoodie Mike. That's a fire name. Hoodie Mike, Owen, Anime Platinum, Yannick. Yannick, I know you coming from Instagram. That's what's up. That's what's up. Antonio, Pauline, Jojo, Luca. What's up, Luca? Got Juan in here. Who else? Who else? Jan Trades. What's up, Jojo? I know. I'm going to switch to NASDAQ in a little bit. We got a lot of time. Don't worry. We're going to be here for, you know what? Let me just go ahead. There you go. Don't worry. We got time today. Yannick, Jaden, what's up? Big Head Reef, new follower. Hello. That's what's up. Glad to have you here. Welcome to the community. If we pay for your course, do we also get access? I don't have a course. If you're talking about the mentorship, yeah, I'll throw that in there. I'll throw that in there. Maybe. I'll think about it. If you're talking about the mentorship, if you get the mentorship, do you get access to the Discord? I'll think about it. Maybe like general access or something. I'll think about it. What's up? What's up? Kendo, Norman, Foloso. What's up? P. Pipeser, Jojo, Drip Tom, James, Taylor. What's up, James? Abe, J Mac. What's up to everybody else? All right, man. So as we all know, it is NFP Thursday. So, type of price action I'm expecting for the PM session. Honestly, I'm expecting a difficult market. I'm expecting kind of like a range-bound market, but I could be wrong. NASDAQ can move around and we can have a really clean PM session. Do I think that's likely? Probably not. Statistically speaking, Thursdays of NFP week can be a little bit harder. That's why we ended the stream early for the morning session. But we're going to see what we can get here. And we're going to break down the higher time frame in just a few minutes. I want everybody to get in here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the voice channels are gone. I'm not going to lie to y'all. It's gone. The voice channels are gone. We'll try again maybe next month. Unless y'all really want it. But when I joined in there, it looked dead. Like, there's people in there, but I only see like 2 or 3 people talking. So it's just taking up more channel space in the Discord. I don't want it to get all clustered and all that if nobody's really going to use it. And then nobody used the London session. I was peeping. Nobody used the London session voice channel. And then, so, yeah. Probably going to do away with that. But it was a good little social experiment, I guess. I'm going to pour me some water real quick, and then we'll get back and get started. Actually, I have water right here. All right, I'm going to be muting myself a lot because I got a bag of chips next to me, and I don't want all that crunching and stuff in the audio. So if I go mute for like 3 seconds, just know your boy is munching. I haven't ate anything all day yet, so. Tremaine Trey's ASMR. That's a first. All right, we'll get started at 9:40. Got about a minute, 20 seconds. Then we're going to start going over price. Third day fasting. Sheesh. Hats off to you. It's good stuff. Y'all be safe. I would not be doing that. I used to fast, but it only lasted like 3 weeks. I'm too big back for that, but I should probably get back into it. All right. My fault. I mean 9:40. I'm thinking of the morning session. 8:40. Not 8:40. God dang. What am I saying? 1:40. Start off on the dollar. Let me check the economic calendar first. I don't think we have anything. Let me see. No, we don't have anything to NFP. So no news for this PM session. Going to starting off on the dollar index. So those equal highs we mentioned, swept out, trading inside this daily fair value gap. So if we draw that out, that is your daily CIBI low. What in the world? Alright, that's your daily fair value gap low, and of course we have the buy side. Let's go down to a 15-minute chart. You can see us hanging around that level before rotating lower. So I'm watching to see if these lows for dollar, a little too smooth, way too clean. So all of this right here, I like for that to possibly get cleaned up. Is my trading view slow? Am I tripping? What's going on? Focus, lock in. And then we got sell side underneath here, of course. Not that. 5-minute chart. Alright, so watching to see if dollar index can, but this is all high resistance. Whenever you have a lot of back and forth like this, back and forth consolidation, all of this is a balanced price range. Okay, so this whole entire consolidation, buy side and sell side, has been efficiently delivered multiple times. So it's going to take a lot of energy, a lot of speed to get through that. So I wouldn't be surprised if dollar just stalls around, because this is all balanced. It's like a brick wall for price. But nonetheless, I still like for us to at least tag this first sell side equal lows. It's like a triple bottom, too smooth. So that's my bias for dollar. Now let's go to gold. So obviously, best case scenario, if I want lower prices in dollar index, I like to see higher prices and everything else. So gold has been in a short-term consolidation on the daily chart, where this fair value gap we've been working inside of for the past week. Let's go to a 15-minute chart. Alright, gold has nice clean buy side. We've taken out sell side, this low taken out, this low here taken out, equal lows here, like a triple bottom, taken out here. These highs are just too clean, too smooth in my opinion. We have like a triple top, so I like to see if gold can make a run for that. But again, it is NFP Thursday, and on days like this, it's very typical to see dollar index and the indices move together. So I want to see them move in opposite directions. I want NASDAQ and dollar to move in opposite directions, but given the day of the week, it can be a little bit more mixed, a little bit more harder to read. So just keep that in mind, which is why I don't trade these days. All right, we have a couple BISIs, fair value gap. We're tracing a little bit, but I really want to see if we could tag these highs. It's just a little too smooth for my liking. So let's hop on euro dollar. Just missed the sell side, trading inside this wick, this down close candle. 15-minute chart. Remember, dollar looks bearish. I want higher prices in forex pairs as well. Buy side here, just way too clean for euro. And then if we can tag that liquidity pool, we also have relative equal highs up here. But for now, my focus is up here for euro dollar. So pretty self-explanatory, nothing crazy. Drag that over. Perfect. All right, and let's take a look at S&P, or do the Dow first. The Dow just cleared out a lot of sell side on the daily chart. All these lows here taken out. That's a lot of liquidity. 15-minute chart. See this? It's like a quadruple bottom. It's just so many lows. And Dow just cleared out all of that. So watch and see what Dow wants to do. Do we want to continue lower or make a run for these highs? Again, buy side is just way too smooth. But we have to get through this large inefficiency. And I'm not expecting crazy movement in the PM session because remember, we do have NFP tomorrow. So is it likely to see crazy trending clean price action? We have NFP tomorrow. Not likely. 5-minute chart. Yeah, these highs are just, it's like a flashing neon sign. But something that can happen is we leave all these highs intact, like on Euro, Gold, Dow. We could leave these highs intact and save that for NFP tomorrow. So that's also a possibility. But for now, too smooth, too clean. Come on, TradingView. Let's take a look at S&P. Weekly chart. We have a new week opening gap here. New week opening gap. And we also have this down close candle, which is a bullish order block. And we're trading inside of a weekly fair value gap. So a lot of discount PD arrays. Let's go down to a daily chart. So far this SMT with the Dow and the other indices. So if you go on the daily chart, Dow has taken out yesterday's low. S&P has not taken out yesterday's low. And the NASDAQ has not taken out yesterday's low. So you have SMT there. Something to be mindful of. Let's go down to 15. Yeah, neutral on S&P. I like higher prices simply because of the dollar index looking bearish, but this sell side is just too juicy. Like that's way too smooth. But as long as dollar stays bearish, I still like the buy side above these highs as well. So we have clean highs and clean lows. So I'm more neutral on S&P, but if I had to pick a direction, I would just favor the buy side like everything else. But this sell side as well is just way too clean. Did I just label that wrong? I'm dead. Buy side. Sell side. Alright, 5-minute chart for S&P. We're working that new week opening gap. We also have buy side above this high. So I'll be watching for that. Last but not least, let's look at the NASDAQ. That's what everybody's here for, right? Let's go to weekly chart. Previous week's high and low for the past 3 weeks is something I like to put on my chart. Those are key levels, key turning points, key pools of liquidity. So we have that and that right there. We also have a new week opening gap that we're trading inside of. My eye jumps to this one here. Okay. And let's go down to a daily chart. Same thing, previous days high and low for the past 3 days. Want to have that on your chart. So yesterday's low, yesterday's high, the low before that day, boom, boom, boom. It's that simple. And that's pretty much all I care about for the weekly chart and daily chart. Keeping in mind that we have SMT here at the lows. I'm watching to see if that remains the case. And consolidation, not the cleanest, but we're going to try to work in this. Who is typing full caps in the chat room? I could see your question, bro. You don't gotta yell at me like that. All right. Slap on some opening prices, and then that's enough lipstick on this thing. 130. All right, so, I mean, trying to pick a bias in something like this. This is why I don't trade NFP Thursdays. Just look at the price action we've been getting. We've just been range bound, but that's reasonable because we have been moving a lot. And this is actually just sideways price action, but we're still going to try to walk this thing through. So down to a 5-minute chart, and we have that first, where is it at? We're not going to drop to the 1-minute chart just yet, but that first presentation fair value gap from this morning, right here, I'm drawing that all the way through. And trading view is like lagging. All my drawings are taking forever. Alright, so when we drop down to a 1-minute chart, that first presentation fair value gap that comes in at 932, drawing that all the way through. You can see it being used here. But we're going to stay on the 5-minute chart. See if I can get a little bit more insight before we drop down. Have I blown accounts? Absolutely. Duh. I've blown hella accounts. I've blown so many accounts. It was like walking through a minefield. Everything was getting blown up. Blown up, man. Explain news with liquidity. I'm in sales. Best of luck to you. SMT, comparing it to another index. You're comparing the lows and the highs with dollar or the other indices when looking at SMT. I was here to learn, but why your voice? Everybody says that. This is how I just talk. But it's cool to know that my voice is relaxing, I guess. But this is literally just how I be. I guess I do need to open up a little ASMR channel. Get that going. Yes, I don't trade NFP Thursdays. That's in my trading plan. 2 p.m. Silver Bullet, 2 to 3 p.m. But you can see a lot of setups form around those previous days, high and low, previous weeks, high and low for the past 3 days or past 3 weeks. There are key turning points here, 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 here. Consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap. Oh no, I'm not done reading comments. Let me see. Traded Asia first time yesterday. Yeah, I didn't trade Asia. I didn't trade Asia. No, I'm not trading today. I'm not in shorts. I'm not in longs. I'm live trading tomorrow. GC Kane's 1.8 million payout. Nah, I don't really be keeping up with the trading community like that. I kind of just mind my own business, you know, stay in my lane. We'll drop down to the 1-minute chart at 2 p.m. I'm in a losing streak. Any advice? I think I had a video about a losing streak. If you're on a losing streak, all you gotta do is, I recommend taking a break. Taking a break and just tape read and paper trade. Nah, actually don't even paper trade, just tape read for like a week. Get your confidence back and kind of just get your groove back. And then when you do jump back into live trading or whatever you're doing, combine or whatever, then use the lowest risk you have. Use your low risk and don't take any more than 2 trades a day. It's really hard to blow your account if you're using low risk and you only take up to 2 trades a day. Most times I'm only taking 1 trade a day, and I take maybe 4 to 5 trades a week on average, I'm assuming. Thursday the day before NFP is low probability. AM session, PM session doesn't matter. The day before NFP can be a little bit more harder to read, so I don't touch it. And I'm already done for the week. I've been done trading since Tuesday, so I've just been paper trading for the sake of live stream content and YouTube content. I already withdrew my profits and all that, so I'm chilling. Clocking out early week. I'm doing good. Appreciate that, ICT universe. I appreciate it. Hopefully you're doing well too. Do I use a long or short template while tape reading? Long or short template? Oh no, you're talking about the little tool thing. This thing, nah. The earliest I get up, I look at the charts starting at 9:30. Like when we live stream, we do the live trading streams for the Discord members. The live stream start at 9:30. I don't really care what happens after that. Pretty much what we just did, how we went through the daily chart for dollar, gold, euro, S&P, Dow. Daily chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. I stay on the 5-minute chart a little bit just to get a read on what it wants to do, and I jump down to the 1 minute, find a setup, and then there it is. How do I execute on TradingView? I press these little buttons right here, and then when I press the button, it puts me in a buy or sell position. What's up, Dimlo? I'm doing good, man. I appreciate it. Dimlo, you always tuning in. You a real one. And there's same with a lot of other people. I see a lot of familiar faces. Constant viewer. Are you always flat post Wednesday? Nah. I live trade Tuesday through Friday. Let's go down to 1 minute chart now. I live trade Tuesday through Friday, but since it's NFP week, I don't trade Thursday. So decided to come on here and do a free stream. What's up, Andy? What's going on? Yeah, we missed you, bro. Glad to have you back. Let me look around. So dollar index, just hanging around. Why is my data still delayed on the Dow? I don't understand. Oh, never mind. What's up? What's up? 2 streams? Yeah. I'm watching the 1 minute. When I see something in the 1 minute that stands out, when I feel comfortable picking a direction, then I'm going to address it. But right now, I'm kind of just watching. But yeah, I showed up late to the first live stream, and I was like, I broke my streak. I never show up late to the live streams. I'm always on time. And I fell asleep while working on the market reviews. Woke up, and I was like 20 minutes late. So I was like, you know what? As my sincere apology, I'm going to hop on and do a PM session stream. So that's why we're here. So right now we're trading inside of an old new week opening gap. That's what that gray shaded region is. Kind of just bouncing around in between that. Trading into that first fair value gap after 9:30 from this morning session. Drawing it all the way through. So I'm watching to see if we can get some expansion. I want to see us get above consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap and then possibly the high. If we can get above the high of the new week opening gap, then I'll feel comfortable looking for prices up here. But as long as we're just ranging in the lower half of that weekly new week opening gap, then I'm kind of just sitting tight. Whatever broker you have, Wolf, whatever broker you have, you just sign in here. Bruh, it never takes this long. So just waiting for NASDAQ to do something again. I'm not expecting anything crazy. I'm not expecting much precision, but hopefully we get something in the NASDAQ. It's still early. It's just now 2 o'clock, so. FTMO account, whatever broker you're using for FTMO, just connected to TradingView. It's the same thing. Paper account, that's how you do it. Paper trading. I mean, I'm not going to be pressing any buttons either way. But yeah. And the live streams, all the live streams, except for maybe a couple, but all the trades you see on my channel, those are paper, but I take them on my real account. I don't live stream my personal funds, but all the trades you see me take, I'll just copy them on my personal funds, but I don't show that. I trade my personal account separately on my monitor. But I do want to live trade my personal account when I get it to the point where I can trade one mini. Right now I'm trading like 4 to 8 micros. Once it gets big enough to where I can trade one mini contract, then I'll just live stream my personal account, like with real money. That's what I did. That last Asia trade we took on YouTube, that was real funds, my personal account. Yeah, that's why I always throw the little disclaimer in the beginning of the stream and in the description. Oh, my fault. I forgot to mute myself. Oh well. My bad. This microphone is sensitive. Like, it picks up everything. Like, everything. I'll be editing the videos and I'm like, dang, like, it picked that up. Like, I'll take a small sip of water and like the microphone picks it up like crazy. And no, Asia's nice. Now, the moves in Asia aren't really small. The volatility is low, but Asia be moving. It be moving. A lot of people don't even want to trade the morning session anymore because Asia just be going crazy. I like Asia more than the morning session as far as like the setups and it's easier. Yeah, ASMR. Scaling plan used from micros to mini. It's just risk. It's just risk. When I trade one mini contract, I don't want to be risking more than, because that's going to be a big jump. Because right now, like, I risk maybe, I try to go for like 500 a day. Like early in the year, I was risking $80, $100 a trade. Then it jumped up to like 150, then like 180. Now I'm risking a little over 200. So hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be able to make like 1,000 a day. But like, you shouldn't be trading one mini contract if that forces you to use more than like 2% risk. So like, I don't want to rush into it. Once I get to the point where I can trade one mini contract, I need that risk to be lower than like 2%. If I put a mini contract on it and I'm risking more than 2%, then my account size isn't big enough. So yeah. You win long? No way. No way. There's no way I'm pressing a button in this price action. Not a chance. Not happening. No, sir. Am I seeing a buy setup? I don't see no setup. I see a sit on your hands and wait kind of setup. Sit on your hands and wait till Friday kind of setup. Nah, I'm not live streaming Asia no more. I'll tune into the voice channel, check on y'all. Well, I delete the voice channel, but nah. But literally everything you have, everything you want or need to trade Asia on your own, I've already shared it. It's really just a matter of just practicing with it, and it won't take you long to grasp it. I promise you. Still waiting for NASDAQ to get above the high of that new week opening gap or below it. At this point, I don't really have a bias. I just wanted to do something. Aha moment? Nah, I never really had an aha moment. I talked about that in the latest vlog that I posted. But nah, I didn't really had a lot of, because there's like pseudo aha moments. I talked about this in the vlog, but you have a lot of moments in trading where you'll learn something from ICT or somebody else, and you'll tell yourself, "Oh, that's it. Like that's the missing piece. Like it makes sense now. Like I see it in the chart. That's what I needed. That's what I was missing." Like that was my aha moment. I got it. Now I'm about to take off with my trading, and that'll last for maybe a couple of days, and then you realize, "Oh, never mind. I still got a lot of work to do. I thought that's what I needed, but." So I mean, I had a lot of that stuff. Like ICT would mention something, I'd be like, "Oh, that's what I needed. Okay, that's my aha moment. Now I'm gonna apply that to my trading, and that's gonna take me to the next level. I'm ready to go now. That's all I needed." And that high will wear off in a couple of days, and then it's back to the lab. So once you have those little fake aha moments a handful of times, you just realize it's just gradual. It's never really just out of nowhere, boom. Okay, you just jump from here all the way up here in your understanding. Nah. It's a gradual process, gradual, slow. Learn a little bit here, you mess up here. You learn a little bit here, you fail here. You get a little setback here, you slowly go forward, and then before you know it, over time, then you get to where you want to be. But if you're waiting on that aha moment for everything to just click out of nowhere just like that, I wouldn't get your hopes up. Yeah, you can have multiple. I guess that's a good way of putting it. You can have multiple moments where things click, but if you're just waiting for that one moment for everything just turn around for you, I mean, I just don't think that's how it works. Like it's a process. Micros is the contract size. Macros is a time element. Prometheus, what's up? Just waiting for NASDAQ to do something. Do something amazing, I guess. I know somebody out there got that reference. So looking at gold, it's looking like it may want to make a run for its buy side. But NASDAQ, yeah. Took the long, missed the sell limit. Y'all bold for pressing buttons in this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Yeah. Y'all bold for pressing buttons. There it is. Somebody got the reference. The Incredibles. What are you waiting for? I don't know. Something amazing, I guess. I gotta watch that movie. It's a classic. They're coming out with another one. I think I saw that somewhere. Another Incredibles. If you have $10 in your trading account, you should not be trading that, bro. Like, I say that with the kindness of my heart. That is not smart whatsoever. Like, that's $10 is just, you might as well go get McDonald's with that money. Like, that's not enough to trade. $10 in your trading account, one trade, commission is going to take you out of the game just straight off that. It's not enough. Just be patient, get some change together, and then at least save up like $2,000, $2,000 to $3,000. But anything less than that, like, you know what I mean? Because if you're trying to flip small accounts, you're just going to stress yourself out, and you're wearing down your mental equity, like your mental capital. You're taking hits towards your armor. Like, you got to protect your mental capital, your mental equity. So if you're starting off with $10 and you're blowing that, yeah, sure, it's only $10, but you're going to develop scar tissue from that. And once you actually have an account size and you got to put real money behind your trades, and you're risking $200, $500 a trade, because you have that scar tissue from when you blew that account, even though it's only $100 or whatever, like, it's developing bad habits. No, I said 2K. 2K to 3K, in my opinion, can afford you one micro. But then again, if your stop loss is hella big, then you can't even trade that. So it just depends. Come on, NASDAQ, do something for us. Do something. This is exactly the price action I was expecting on a day like today, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I just had time today. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. You and I. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is, and it don't make no flowers grow. Good things might come to those who wait, not for those who wait too late. We gotta go for all we know. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. You and I. Just the two of us, building them castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. Nah, I don't do prop firms. I don't like prop firms. I would never be with a prop firm again. Personal funds all day. But like, I say that for me, but prop firms are a good resource, absolutely. But I love my personal account, and I'm seeing more people say like they're done with prop firms, like they're fed up with prop firms, they're just going to start their own account, and I applaud that because that's true independence. But obviously, if you don't have another source of income to grow your personal account, or you know what I mean, and you have to go the prop firm route, absolutely, like do that, do what you got to do. But I just love the freedom with the personal account. Yeah, when I was with FTMO when I traded Forex, back when I used to trade supply and demand, and I've got like $3,000 worth of payouts, but I didn't know what I was doing. I mean, I was funded with Top Step, and then I hit like I think it was like the trailing drawdown thing, but it's like, it's crazy because the Top Step, I hit like the drawdown thing, but in my personal account, I had the same amount of drawdown because I copied my trades. I had the same amount of drawdown on my personal account, and I still finished the week in the green. So it's like, how did I lose my account? Because I lost like 3 trades in a row. Like, but I still made money on my personal. Like, I was able to withdraw that. So I think prop firms, I already talked about it. Every time I come on a public stream, I always go on a rant about prop firms. But I feel like prop firms, they punish you for losing trades, which that is normal. Like, if you lose 2% or 3%, like, they take your account away. It's like, that is normal. Like, I have losing trades. I have break-even trades. Like, and you get penalized for that. So nah. Trade station is all I need. Building them castles in the sky. I'm gonna start singing up in this thing. Just the two of us. Oh my goodness, NASDAQ, you could have gave us something better than this. Lord have mercy. Y'all see why I don't trade Thursdays of NFP? I'm trying to tell y'all, it's been on my trading plan for years now. You will not see me touching a day like this. What's up, Miss Fatima? Fatima always tuning in. I always see her username. Another constant viewer. Real supporter. Love it. I always see her in the chat room. I'm not being too quick to chase that. Everybody sees candles like that and they get all excited trying to chase it lower. I'm not taking the bait. I want to wait for more information. Yeah, no, for real. About to start shaking my laptop, get this thing to start moving. I've been trading going on 5 years now, since 2020, late 2020. And it's almost 2025, so going on 5 years. Trading back down into that first presentation fair value gap. The body stopping right at the high of it. Watching and see what NASDAQ wants to do here. Dollar index, again, I still favor the sell side, so I still want lower prices on dollar. Meaning, ideally, in a perfect market environment, I like higher prices in NASDAQ. But I mean, you see the price action that we're getting so far, so take that with a grain of salt. I became profitable about August, September 2023. That's when I started finding consistency and I started getting my groove, and I was like, I think I'm rolling now. Cause I started studying ICT concepts January of 2023 with that 2023 mentorship playlist. That's when I started studying ICT like seriously, and I was just following along with that playlist. And then come about August, September, I kind of just like, I got the hang of it, and I just started improving, continued to work at it. So about just over like a year now, a year and so like, was that like a year and 2 months? It's October, August, September, October. So yeah, about a year and 2 months. And I had this YouTube channel for about a year, or I started posting on it about a year ago. Chart colors in Discord. All that stuff is in the frequently asked questions channel. Sellers pushing down the market. We do not talk like that in here. Somali, Sumalai, did you just say sellers are pushing down the market? Shame on you. The blasphemy that just came out of your mouth. I'm just joking. Monthly profits, it depends what the month is looking like. It depends. I mean, that's kind of like a personal question. Biggest day in profit and all that. I keep my expenses low. My biggest expense, obviously, like rent, but even then, it's not that expensive. But hopefully, by next year, YouTube, I'll just use that to cover all the rent. And then I'll save my trading profits for other expenses and all the other stuff. But right now, maybe like if I make $1,500 a month trading my personal account, I'm taking $1,500 because you have to remember taxes at the end of the year. So if I make $1,500 a month trading personal funds, then I'll probably take out, I don't know, $1,000, save the rest for taxes or whatever, and then throw that in my expenses. I have a bank account for my expenses, and I have a bank account for my regular checking. So I'll throw that $1,000 into my expenses account, and then YouTube revenue and all that, throw that into the expenses account, and then other income streams, I'll keep that for me. That's how I do it. I'm not going to share how much I'll make off YouTube. First presentation, fair value gap. I said, yeah, damn, y'all, like, damn, y'all want my social security number too? Like, damn. God dang. Here, let me tell you the 3 digits of my credit card on the back. Hold on. all in my pockets, bro. God dang. They trying to steal my identity out here. That's funny. I mean, like, man, hey, I'm just playing. Volume is low. It's the microphone. Some people say the volume's fine. Some people say the volume's low. It depends on the device. Like when I watch ICT streams, when I watch it on my iPad, the volume's fine. But when I watch his streams on my laptop, the volume is like really low. So you just gotta turn the volume all the way up and hope you don't get an ad in the middle of the stream. RIP. Yeah, first presentation fair value gap is the first fair value gap after 9:31 during the opening range. So it has to be between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. So this is the morning session. This is your fair value gap at 9:32, and you draw it all the way throughout the entire day. So there you go. Volume booster, man, I don't know how to do all that. I just cut this thing on and hit record. Oh, I thought you were talking about me. Man, I knew NASDAQ was going to be dry, but this is something different. This is crazy. The double ads. You got to get that YouTube Premium. I was sick of those ads. Man, and then YouTube changed the thing with the ad blocker. So I was like, man, you know what? They got me. But YouTube Premium has actually been a good investment because I hate ads, bro. Like, just clicking on a video and just going straight to the video, not having to sit through ads. It's worth it. And it comes with not free because you're technically paying for it, but it comes with YouTube Music. And YouTube Music is underrated. It's not better than Apple Music. And then if you use Spotify, don't talk to me. But YouTube Music is actually pretty decent. It's actually pretty good. I need guidance, bro. Join the Discord. There's resources in the Discord, webinars. You can watch me trade live Tuesday through Friday. Over time, that'll slowly grow your understanding of price action. I assign homework in the Discord, which I see all your guys' homework submissions. I've browsed through it. I haven't checked it thoroughly. I'm probably gonna wait till they're all turned in, then I'm gonna check it. But so far, it looks like everybody knows what they're doing on the homework assignment. I'm gonna sit down and check that in a little bit. But the Discord to help you, just click the link pinned in the chat room. It's good stuff, trust me. Yeah, YouTube Premium be coming in clutch for real. I'm sorry, Spotify is trash. Can't do Spotify. You want a break from the ads? Can't do it. In a cell right now. Best of luck to you. Best of luck to you. What's my work ethic? I think I have a pretty good work ethic. But see, that's the thing. Work ethic is only half of it. Because you see a lot of people work hard, but you have to do the right kind of work. Because somebody who says they work hard, like they stay up all night, all morning, no sleep, working hard, like they're just going crazy, doing their thing. I work hard, I work hard, I work hard. That's good, but you can still get passed up by somebody who's working not as hard as you, but they're working the right way. They're studying the right things. They're not letting bad habits get in the way. So it's like work ethic only takes you so far. It's a combination of work ethic and just doing the right thing. Because you could work hard, but you're working hard on the wrong things and you're going nowhere. But if you combine work ethic with actually studying the right stuff and getting out of your own way, now you're cooking with gas. Spotify Weekly Discovery. Nah, I would never download that green app ever. I've had it for a while and it's just, eh. NASDAQ's just been working that 5-minute fair value gap for a while. I didn't realize I was muted. I was yapping this whole time. But that 130 opening price, I use it like I would use the midnight opening price. It's the same thing. But I only care for the midnight opening price once we get to 11 o'clock. After that, I use the 130. It's just power of 3 stuff. If you're starting out in a prop firm, make sure you're ready for a prop firm. Don't just do a prop firm challenge and kind of wing it. Like, you should definitely know what you're doing before going into a prop firm. If you don't, save your money. Save your money. All right, Yannick, see you. Yeah, this price action, that's why I'm really just like doing a Q&A at this point, which is fine. Unless NASDAQ wants to start moving here. But yeah, I'm just taking questions at this point. Been doing this for 4 years. Been trading for about 4 years, going on 5 years. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's really just like the first few months when I got fired from my job and I went full-time trading, it was kind of surreal. It was like, whoa, like I'm really doing this. I guess this is what we're doing. I guess I'm full-time now. But then after a few months, it's just like, it just feels like a normal old job. It's the same routine. Wake up, do your little routine, go for a run, shower, whatever it is you do. Hop on the charts, turn on the cameras, trade, and then go about your day. It's really just the same repetitive stuff. My bad. You didn't know I was live. I mean, I sent the link in the Discord that I was live. I tagged everybody. You gotta turn those notifications on. My YouTube notifications on. Never miss a live stream. Short, long, no sir. I would not touch this price action with a 10-foot pole. You would not see me go anywhere near this thing today. Not a chance. Nothing in this says go short. Nothing in this says go long. You would not. Matter of fact, I'll do you one better. Check this out. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Expecting cleaner price action post 8:30 tomorrow. Just join the Discord. That's what's up. Walk through things better than anyone is saying. Dang, that means a lot. I appreciate that, Chris. That really means a lot. I really appreciate that. I'm just trying to help people. That's all. I just want to make a lot of money and help other people make some money. That's really all I want to do. I like live streaming. I like making videos. I like making money. And I like seeing other people make money. And I want everybody to win. It's real simple. Nah, I'm not trading Asia. I'm expecting a choppy, difficult Asia session. I may glance at it, but I really want to catch up on these ICT lectures. I'm like a month behind. And I don't want to get too far behind to where I can't access that data anymore on the 1 minute chart. So I'm going to try to knock out those, but Amar said rest in peace. That's cold. That's messed up. That's messed up. All the Discord information is pinned in the chat room, the top of the chat room, or just click the link in the description. It's not terribly expensive. I think it's affordable compared to everything else out there and the value that you get. So, and the community that you get, I think it's reasonable. Come on, NASDAQ, do something for your boy. Yes, there's live trading in the Discord. Only for full access or lifetime members in the Discord. You'll see me press the buttons and explain my stop loss, explain my take profit, walk the trade from start to finish, all that juicy stuff. Oh yeah, no, who is that? Omar. This price action right here, in the past, this is exactly what I used to blow my accounts on. Trying to sell every supply zone, buy every demand zone. Trying to find 3, 4, 5 setups in this. At some point you realize, you know what? Let me just sit still because price isn't really doing anything. And once you build that habit of sitting still, then something crazy happens. You start saving your money. Quarterly theory, I don't even know what quarterly theory is. Quarterly theory, CRT, all that nonsense, I don't know. In my opinion, if ICT hasn't talked about it, if he's not, nah. If ICT hasn't taught it, if he hasn't talked about it, if he hasn't addressed it, I don't pay it any mind. Because there's a lot of noise, there's a lot of distractions out there that can knock you off your game. So I have tunnel vision when it comes to my like what I consume. That's why I'm not really with the trading beef and the nonsense and the drama. Like, nobody has time for all that. I just want to make money and like mind my business. Yeah, I use SMT. I look at SMT for sure. For sure. Quarterly theories, ICT. I don't know. I haven't heard him talk about it. Bro, why does everybody say I cough like I just be coughing? All this yapping I'm doing makes my throat dry. Bitcoin, brother. Ugh. Bitcoin. Ew. Bitcoin. The audacity. Oh my god, this is actually like, I knew it was gonna have like choppy price action or like a more difficult market, but this is actually like something else. Chris, I don't have a specific model. I mean, if you want to count the Asia model, when I trade Asia, there's that. But as far as like any other time window, like morning session, lunch, PM session, I just trade like whatever's in the chart. Fair value gap, volume imbalance, breaker, mitigation block, order block, wick, consequent encroachment, like whatever makes sense, inversion, fair value gap, like whatever's in the chart that makes sense to get into a trade, I'll take it. But all you need is one PD array. That's all you need. You don't even need all the extra stuff for real. And that's how I started. Like I started off with trading optimal trade entry. And then once optimal trade entry like got a little too easy, like I was missing out on setups, and as my understanding of price action grew, I did away with optimal trade entry and I started trading the fair value gap. But I was still studying, growing in my understanding of price action. And then I was like, okay, like I see the fair value gap. I got that down. Now I'm kind of comfortable trading like breakers now, because I used to not be able to see breakers, not in real time. Now like I anticipate breakers forming before it's even in the chart. So I'll trade breakers. And then I was like, okay, let me throw volume imbalances in there. I'm still studying, still improving. All right, inversion fair value gaps, I didn't really like trading those. It's kind of like the last type of PD array that I really used to get into a trade, but now I've been trading inversion fair value gaps a little more, so it's just like, you know what I mean? It's just a gradual understanding. And now, like, I'm working on personally trying to hold my trades longer. So I'll leave like a micro on, just leave a runner on. I'm trying to leave more runners. I want to do more like full pulls, catch more of the daily range. So that's something I'm working on right now. I look for a short, my guy. You should be logged out of your broker right now. Like who is that? Ali, bless you. I'm gonna help you out real quick. Check this out. Watch this. I'm finna save y'all some money. Look at this. I don't know about you, but I don't see anything in this small little fractal of price action that says go short or go long. It's consolidating. We've been going sideways since 1 o'clock. Don't do it. Like, log out of your broker. You have to understand, we have NFP tomorrow. So is the market likely to move and do something crazy, like clean setups, everybody makes money? Is it likely to do something like that when we have NFP tomorrow? No. What is everybody, the institutions, the big firms, deep pockets, what are they waiting for? They're waiting for the non-farm payroll announcement tomorrow. So are you likely to see a nice, beautiful short opportunity or a nice buying opportunity when we're literally hours away from NFP? It's not likely. And we're consolidating. There is no short setup in this. There's no long setup in this. Now, obviously, you can go here and click buy or sell all you want, and you'll get into the marketplace, and you may get lucky, you may make money, but why would you put yourself through that? It's just not worth it. So log out of your broker. Just log out, bro. But I mean, it's days like this that you really just be like, it's really like going to Vegas. Like, you just can't do it. So like balanced price range, no. There's nothing I see going long or short. This is the kind of day where you just log out and you wait till tomorrow. If you're really itching to press the button, like, just wait till tomorrow. After 8:30, you can go in and find trades all you want, but this is not something you want to be trading right now, because it will not end good for you, I promise. And yeah, don't even paper trade it. Like, it's not worth it. It's not worth it, because you're just going to stress yourself out. And then if you paper trade and you lose and you lose and you lose, even though you're not losing real money, you're going into what tomorrow's trading feeling bad about yourself. You're lacking confidence because the day before, Thursday of NFP, when you shouldn't have been trading, because you got your butt whooped, you're going into Friday's trading and you're scared to take that next trade when it's actually time to make money. So gotta protect your mental. That's what me, like, I'm not tripping. I already woke up today knowing I wasn't going to take any trades. You gotta have that patience. But these are perfect days where people will be blowing their accounts. These are the days where you lose your combine. 5-minute chart. I mean, you tell me if that's something you want to sit in. I don't. I'm good. They can have that. They can have that all day, every day. I'll just wait. Like, that's bad. I don't try to predict NFP. I don't know what NFP wants to do. Like, some people, they like to have levels highlighted before NFP hits. Like, I don't even look at NFP like while that 8:30 candle's moving. I'm still asleep. So I don't look at my charts till 9:30. I'll analyze what is done after. Like, I'll look at the damage. Okay, NFP took out this buy side. Okay, the daily chart looks like this, but I'm not even watching NFP. I don't care what it does. But once 9:30 comes, then I'll break it down. But before then, I don't really care about it. Morning session was cool. Morning session was alright. It's definitely better than the PM session, but I've seen cleaner days. Let me see. This was the morning session. Well, I don't trade before 10 o'clock, so I didn't care about any of this. And then everybody in the Discord, we talked about this sell-off here and the reasons why we weren't looking for higher prices after 10 o'clock, those 3 opening prices. I mean, like, I'm not trying to sit through all this. Like, that's just, I'm good. If anything, lunch was the cleanest time window of the day, 11:30 to 1:30. But, yeah, I'm good. Khalifa, you gotta take that up with a tax professional. I can't give you advice on the taxes and LLCs and all that stuff. You gotta take that up with your state or wherever you're from. I do want to stay on for that final hour macro that kicks off at 3:15. See if we get any sort of movement, 3:15 to 3:45. So that's about like 23 minutes from now. Yeah, this is boring. All right, for sure. Enforce Enterprises, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Tune in next time. Free stream on Monday morning at 9:30. I have videos on my YouTube channel about macros. There's a video on my channel called How I Use ICT macros to frame or find high probability setup, something like that. A lot of people like that video, so it's on my channel somewhere. It was a long time ago, but it's golden. Trading the Dow, don't ever mention the dirty 30 ever again. Brother, the Dow is nasty. It's been moving good as of late, but just all in all, you would never see me touch the Dow. I'll be better off trading Bitcoin. No, thank you. Hey, people trade it. People trade the Dow. Don't let me discourage you from trading the Dow. I'm just saying I would never trade it. But if you're getting funded with it, making money, man, and keep doing what you're doing. But me personally, I'm good. I look at SMT a little bit. I'm ready to get something to eat. I ain't eat all day. Yeah, I've had a trade or two using that first presentation fair value gap as a premise. I haven't traded it just alone by itself, but I use it as a, speaking of that, where's my fair value gap at? There we go. But I haven't used it as my only means to get in, but I use it as confluence. I'm muted? No, I'm not muted. This is gonna pump so hard. I wouldn't get your hopes up, bro. I wouldn't get your hopes up. During the last hour, 3:15 and 3:45, could we get a little bit of movement? Yeah. But if you're expecting some crazy, out of this world type of movement, I wouldn't bet the house on it. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, look at the opening range gap, regular trading hours gap. I'll look at it. My bad, bro. I haven't ate all day. It's 2 o'clock, but when I get off of here, I'm gonna do a quick little run, and I'll probably make something to eat. Don't break that fast, though. My bad. I'm a bad influence. So we got about 15 minutes or so till that final hour. Let's see if we could frame some kind of, not setup, but some kind of direction. Price run. I have a video on my YouTube channel called How to Identify, Seek, and Destroy Before It's Too Late. I already got you covered, my man. It's on my YouTube channel. Oh, man. The first presentation fair value gap, it applies to any time frame. If you're looking at the 1 minute time frame, you use the 1 minute time frame, first fair value gap. If you're looking at the 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, you use the fair value gap on those respective time frames. Just took out sell side, traded back down into that first presentation fair value gap. We have a lot of buy side and sell side resting above this consolidation. Whenever we're consolidating like this, always remember this buy side generating above these highs, because breakout traders, they want to break out above the consolidation, and their sell side underneath the lows, because breakout traders want to go long on the breakout. So noting both of those, that's going to be important as we head into the final hour of trading. Yeah, or get your monitor, like whenever the monitor, because you can turn the monitor up loud, like when I'm watching ICT streams, I never have a problem with the volume. So, but if you're watching this like on your phone or something, I don't know, or your laptop, the volume could be, I don't know if it's a YouTube thing, but like my microphone is turned all the way up. It's at 105%. Like I can't turn it up anymore without it starting to cut out. Is the pump in the room with us? I don't see no pump. They talking about this thing's gonna go higher, going lower, going short, going long. I don't know. I'm still looking for it. That was funny. Leo, bro, you gotta chill, dog. I saw you said short. Like, bro, just leave it alone. Don't trade it. Trust me. You said moment of truth, bro. I feel like you're about to bet your whole life savings on this. Just don't even touch it. Here comes the pump. Y'all ready? Here it comes. Strap in tight. We finna take off. Lock in. It's coming. No diddy. Sit tight, here it comes. Feeling good. This thing finna shoot up 100 handles. Imagine it does it. That would be crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna stay on to like 3:45, about 40 more minutes. I'll stay on for that final hour macro, and then we're gonna get off here. Bro, Leo, I ain't gonna. You shouldn't even be paper trading this, bro. Don't do it. Don't even touch it. It's not even paper trade worthy price action. I promise you. Like, just log out, bro. You see, I logged out of my paper trading broker. Just log out, bro. Just log out. $118 handles. You're crazy. I do not see NASDAQ moving that much. Well, the final hour macro has done some crazy things, but I don't know. I might have to take your bet on that one. At least 118 handles is kind of crazy. Can I start a poll in this? Oh, I've seen some people do that in their live streams. How do I do that? Let me see. Oh, I can. Oh, yeah, this is going to be fun. All right, I just sent out a poll. I want to see how this goes. This is going to be interesting. Oh, it's like 50-50 right now. Okay. going nowhere. Nah. I left that out on purpose. Look at that. It's 50-50. That's so cool. That just tells you what kind of day it is. Oh my gosh. All right. Looks like everybody's saying it's going down. I'm gonna buy it. I'm just kidding. Can I see who? Oh, it doesn't show you like who's voting. I wanted to see like who's voting for which. All right, a lot of people say it's going down. Yeah, I traded ATM model. Was that yesterday or 2 days ago? Oh no, actually no, I didn't trade the ATM model last night. I was hanging out with a friend. And I was already done for the week anyway. That's why. ATM stands for ATM machine. The ATM model is literally an ATM machine. As for me, I don't know which direction it's gonna go in, and to be honest, I really don't care. I really don't care what NASDAQ does. So this is very entertaining to see what happens. I don't know, David. David, you said it was going up. I don't know. I got the receipts on y'all. David talking about one last sweep. It's been sweeping for 5 times now. What we waiting on? This is fun. Who else we got? Who else? Let me see. I don't know if it's going higher or lower. I don't care. I just want to see what y'all are saying. Hunter said we going down. All right. Let's see. Bro said one last sweep. It's been sweeping 5 times. We're going to be all the way down here talking about one more sweep. Oh, my God. Oh, that's funny. Remember ICT talked about also one shot, one kill, 100K. I don't even know. I don't even know if I got that far in his video. I do not swing trade. Swing trading doesn't fit my personality. The memberships, the general access, it's just general access to the Discord. You get the chat room, you get a couple other things. It does not include live trading. The full access, the full access is you get everything in the Discord, webinars, homework, live trading, forecasts, all that stuff. But that's a subscription, so it's $50 a month subscription. Or if you plan on being around for a while, the lifetime access is just a one-time payment, and you still get full access to live streams, webinars, all that stuff. Anything I add to the Discord in the future, the lifetime access comes with it. So the lifetime access and the full access is the same. It's just one is a subscription and one is just a single one-time payment and you're done. And the general access is just limited access to the server if you just want to see what's popping, or if you just want a community or whatever, and you don't care for the live streams and all the extra stuff. This is very entertaining because, let's see, 60% of people said we're going down. All right, 40% of people think we're going up. And David said, I told you so. Let's see. I think it's David versus the world right now. David said we're going up, but majority of people say we're going down. Let's see. David versus short sellers. I'm with it. Let's go. Here we go. Oh, Nico, he wants higher prices too. I like this. I'm just the referee. I'm just seeing what's going on. Stefan's bullish. No, I'm talking about today, right now. Today, right now, we going up or down? Like into the close at 4 o'clock. What we doing? I'm fading Patrick Willing. That's a great idea. Whoops. Did not mean to say that on live. Oh well. Going up. Bro, Hunter, you're funny, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, too funny. This is actually very entertaining. I needed this because this PM session has been very boring. Here comes the pump. Y'all ready? Here it comes. Wolf said, put your seatbelts on. We're going up. But 59% of people said we're going down. Wolf typing in all caps. He said we're going higher. I got the receipts in the chat room. Let's see. Here's the objectives. Higher prices, buy side. This is just too funny. I might delete this stream. This is so unprofessional. This is not what I want on my channel. But this is the kind of price action we're working with. Lower prices, sell side. We're trading in the middle, near equilibrium between this low and this high. Buy side up here, sell side up here. Let's go. I'm invested now. Don't delete it. All right. All right, Hunter. See you, bro. Y'all are funny. All right. Pyrotech says we're going up. I could care less what it does. I do not care. I don't care about anything till tomorrow after 8:30. To be honest, it's going nowhere. That's what I favor. I favor price action doing nothing. All right, Leo said he's buying. Leo said buy it. That's not me telling you to do that. I would never tell you buy or sell, but Leo said buy. Futures Technic's been short since 217. He's fading all y'all, saying it's going up. I'll be cautious trading Asia tonight because we have not FOMC, NFP tomorrow. I'm not trading Asia. I'm done for the week already. But y'all are funny. And giveaways. I have nothing to give away. I'm not doing prop firm giveaways like the discount codes. I was affiliated with a Top Step, but as far as doing giveaways and like giving away free challenge or free combine, I don't want that on my channel. Omar said we going up to the moon. Yeah, moves 5 handles. All right, here we go. I told you. And this thing's not going nowhere. I don't know. The mic cuts out because I'm eating. I'm eating hot Funyuns, and I don't want to be chewing all in y'all ear, so that's why I mute myself for a few seconds. take a position. You crazy. Ain't no way. I would never, I don't care if it's paper trading, I would never push a button in something like this. No way. I'm staying off till 3:45, so 24 more minutes. See if NASDAQ does something. I just want to see who gets proved wrong, who gets proven wrong. I'm curious. No, I do not want that on my channel. You will not see me pressing buttons in this. No way. David said, pump it. Here it comes. Ooh, but Leo said we going down. Uh-oh. David said pump it. Leo said we going down. Here we go. NFP Thursday showdown. That's what I'm talking about. I needed some kind of entertainment because this price action was not it. South Africa, appreciate that. Belgium. Oh man, David said breakaway gap, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all are funny. Breakaway gap, baby. That's what he's been waiting on. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. I can't. Oh my goodness. Y'all are too funny. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't think it's gonna do much. I'm good. And David, they said you trapped. That's crazy. Selling the breakaway gap is crazy. I don't know what's gonna. I really don't care. I wouldn't touch this anyway. This is just funny. David said he's adding 10 micros. David don't care about nothing y'all trying to say. He's buying it. Oh, I gotta do this at least once a week. This is too funny. This is actual comedy right here. Oh my gosh. David working. David working at McDonald's next week. David stop loss already got hit. David, they coming for you, bro. David, they coming for your neck. Oh my goodness. David's fading out of y'all. He said he's adding more to his long position. That is too funny. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think every NFP Thursday I gotta do something like this because this is too funny. Oh my goodness. David working at Wendy's. Hey, I don't know, y'all. Don't sleep on David now. It seems like he might know what he's talking about. David did say one more sweep, then we going higher, so. David blew his fun deal. David said this is beautiful price delivery. He's standing on business. Oh man, we have about 17 more minutes till 3:45. I need everybody in the chat room. Which side you on? Cause I want all the receipts. Who wants higher prices? Who wants lower prices? I can't see who votes in the polls. So say it with your chest. Say it loud and proud. Say it with your chest. Who wants higher prices? Who wants lower prices? I need to know. Don't hide in the shadows. Say it with your chest. Let's see. Higher, okay. Lower, 100%. Oh, shoot. Higher, 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 higher. Higher. Somebody lying because everybody's saying higher, but there's way more lower votes. Higher. All right, we're going to see. We're going to see. I'm expecting some movement as we get closer to 3:30. I don't care which direction, but once we get to 3:30, that last 15 minutes in the macro, I'm expecting some kind of spooling. Higher, lower, sell side. David, all right, David got a little army. David got an army behind him. I want lower. Oh, David, careful now. Wait, I'm crying. Wait, I need some water. Hold on. Oh my god. Wait, I'm crying. Hold on. David said. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. David said he's David said he's still in it, add more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, I have tears all down my face. I'm not even playing. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh, my stomach hurts. Oh Lord. One more sweep. One more sweep. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Goodness gracious. Lord have mercy. All right, they're saying it's not over yet. They're saying it's not over yet. We still got some people wanting it to go higher. Oh my gosh. David, where are you? Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Oh man. Still in the range, doesn't count as a sweep. Okay, all right. David said it's still valid. He said longs are still valid. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm crying right now. Oh, Lord have mercy. Market makers heard David say higher. That candle was so funny. I got tears, bro. I haven't laughed like that in a while. Antonic, I appreciate that. Thank you, I appreciate that. Appreciate it. Oh, Lord have mercy. David said, trust the process. Oh, Lordy. Golly. All right, so it's 3 minutes past 3:30, so I'm expecting some kind of movement either direction. I don't care. Try not to cry. Impossible. Nah, that was funny. I'm saving this stream. I'm gonna be watching that later. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. All right, David says entry is 1920. Let me see. 19920. So this is your entry. I don't know where you put your stop at. Assuming. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is too funny, bro. Let me see. Where's your stop? Oh wait, turtle soup. Balance price range, turtle soup. Here? David, where's your 1913? 1913. Close enough. Nah, it's gotta be perfect. 1913 entry was 20. Oh my gosh. Bro, when I tell you I was crying. 19220. Oh my gosh. Balance price range, turtle soup. Something like that. Oh my gosh. Lord have mercy. Oh Lordy. Oh. All right, let's go. I don't know, David said higher prices is looking decent. I see in 54% of people. Okay, somebody's switching their vote. Can you do that? Because at first it said there's like 60% of people saying it was going down. So somebody lying. Yeah, hey, David, talk your mess, David, because they said you was going to be working at McDonald's. Oh, man. Oh, David, you probably like got in over here somewhere. You probably like something like that, maybe. Ooh, boy, you barely made it. Oh my gosh. This is not my trade. Whoever's joining in just now, I'm not in a trade. This is not my trade. I'm not in an open position. I'm not even logged into a broker. Oh my gosh. This stream is so unprofessional. This is not what I want on my channel, but you know what? We're having fun. I don't trade these days anyway, so. Oh my gosh. Y'all was clowning on my man David. And he told y'all David faded all of y'all. Oh yeah, let me do that. David said, y'all talking about he's gonna work at McDonald's. While y'all laughing, he was buying more. He just faded all y'all. That's crazy. I was clowning both of y'all. Nah, but I'm sorry. This candle here is just funny, bro. No, this right here is just too funny. David, I'm gonna name the stream after you, bro. I can't edit the stream title, but when I get off of here, I'm gonna add David's something, David's long or something, or David fades the world, something crazy. Assuming I don't know where your take. David, where's your take profit? Because I need to know. Oh my gosh. AM high? What? David, what the hell? AM session high is your target? David, the market closes in 20 minutes. David, alright, now you tripping. You know, the AM session high is all the way up here. Mike. David. Alright. The boy's shooting for the moon, ain't he? God dang, David. Wait. David. You know what? Hey, let me not question David, because he faded all y'all, so he said AM session high. We got about 20 minutes to get that done. Oh my god. But okay, you're gonna hold it. I'll be careful, David, if you're gonna hold this overnight, because we have NFP at 8:30, so I'll be careful. David said he not playing with y'all. He said AM session high. I said, wait a minute. That's almost 200 handles. Lee. I mean, this buy side, that's cool, but you said AM session high. Well, you all the way up there. One shot, David trying to retire off this trade. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. We gotta clip that. I gotta clip that somehow, some way. This drop down, which is way too funny. I was geeked, bro. I'm gonna take this off before people think that's me. Oh my gosh. Yo. But in all seriousness, that was getting fun and all, but I don't like, I'm not a fan of any of this price action here. So zooming out and just looking in the grand scheme of things, none of this here says high probability to me. I wouldn't have traded it. I wouldn't have touched it. Okay, if you look at what we've done all PM session, it's just been sideways price action. So, oh my goodness. Oh man, that was too funny. Oh my gosh. That is too funny. We'll stay out for 5 more minutes. The final hour macro ends at 3:45, and then we'll wrap it up. David, the people's champ. David, hey, that's a fire type. I think I'm gonna name the live stream that David versus Goliath. That is fire. That is straight fire. Literally, the underdog. That is funny. David, you've been a great sport. Thank you for making this live stream very entertaining. You've been a great sport. We were laughing, we were teasing you, we were getting on you, but you didn't take it personal. You've been a great sport. You're a real one. And David just took a shot at all y'all. He said, "That's how you know you're on the right side when everybody else is laughing at you." Let him know. Let him know, bro. Stop playing with him. That was funny. David said, "Oh no, they laughing at me. They laughing at me. I'm buying 10 more." At this point, even if Nasdaq goes lower, I'm not in David's trade, but I mean, he should have some kind of profit locked in or break even or something. So, oh man, that was funny. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. He said, "I'm buying 10 more." Oh my gosh. That's too funny. Yeah, Nasdaq's not doing it. Nasdaq hasn't even taken out sell side or buy side. It's just been stuck in this range. Price is gonna drop. I'm not expecting nothing to happen. Like I said, it's Thursday of NFP week. Didn't know you were live. Is Richard in the cut? Nah, Richard, I don't know. Richard's been kind of quiet. He left a comment on my last video I posted saying about the breaker. He was talking about the breaker again. Oh my gosh. That is too funny. Drop the course, David. David, drop the Discord. Drop the mentorship. Like, oh Lord, David versus Goliath. That is too freaking funny. Oh my goodness. That was fun. David's model, absolutely. NFP is non-farm payroll. It's a major red folder news event on the first Friday of every month. Typically, not always, but most times, the first Friday of every month is NFP. Don't want to trade that at 8:30. David versus the world. Literally. Oh man, this was a crappy PM session. Well, y'all, this was fun. I enjoyed everybody tuning in. Free full access lifetime members. We're back live trading tomorrow morning at 9:30 once NFP's behind us. Appreciate y'all tuning in. This was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed it. We made a boring live stream, boring price action, a little bit more tolerable, a little bit more bearable. So it was fun. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. It's not terribly expensive. Our next free stream will be Monday morning at 9:30. David, appreciate you, my man. Love you, bro. A lot of fun. Everybody else, this was a long stream. Appreciate y'all engaging, voting, having fun. And hopefully you didn't lose money and press too hard in market condition like this. But Discord members, I'll be grading that homework either tonight or tomorrow. I'll make sure to get that done. And then we're back live trading privately 9:30, and we'll find a setup to end the week. All right, W stream, W David. This was fun. Discord members, I'll see you on the live stream tomorrow at 9:30. All right, peace.